Hey guys, I don't know if you saw my video from a couple of weeks ago, but I did a major beauty PR haul unboxing. I got so many amazing goodies and I asked you guys what you wanted to see me do. A lot of you said you wanted to see an Urban Decay video because I got so many boxes from them. Thank you very much, Urban Decay. So this is not sponsored, by the way. I feel like it totally sounds like it is, but it's not. I'm just so obsessed with all of the incredible goodies that I got. I had to start playing with them immediately. And the first product that I wanted to do a video for was this crazy eyeshadow color that I said in that video popped out to me so much because of these two shades. These beautiful metallic blue eyeshadows. I've never worn blue eyeshadow in my life, but something about those colors just really jumped out at me. It reminds me of this kind of like crushed blue velvet that I've been seeing furniture pieces of that I love, and I thought, why not? Just give it a shot. So I'm gonna do a tutorial for blue eyes today. It's a metallic blue too, so it's extra fun. Bear with me. I know it sounds kind of insane, but I feel like this is gonna be gorgeous. As you can see, I'm wearing neutral colors today to kind of balance everything out so nothing looks too insane, but I'm gonna wear this look today as a day look. And I think it's a perfect look for day to evening. As you can see, I've already prepped my skin. I've got all of my foundation on. I did a video last week about covering up melasma and my pregnancy mask. That's been a major struggle for me thus far in pregnancy, dealing with the changes in my skin, the texture of my skin, and most importantly, the color of my skin. So I have found a pretty great way of covering everything up whilst maintaining a really natural skin look. I like my skin to look like my skin. I don't like it to look all caked up with foundation and a million layers. So that is what I have done on my base. In the same collection as that palette, I got two bronzers. They're called Beach Bronzer. One to me looks like more of a brown bronze shade, and one is actually kind of a pinky beige shade. So I'm gonna use this one as blush today because I wanna keep everything quite neutral. First, I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer just to add some definition to my face. Next, I'm gonna apply that lighter beige tone as my blush. And I'm gonna kind of avoid the apples in my cheeks today. I'm actually gonna focus more on my cheekbones. Now my skin is all prepped, I am gonna jump straight in with my eyeshadows. To accentuate my eyes and make sure the pigment holds even stronger, I'm gonna apply just a little dab of lip balm to my eyelids. I think this is gonna really grab the color of the shadow. Before I jump in with the blue shadow, I'm actually gonna grab a little bit of this slightly shimmery beige tone in the same palette just to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eye. Urban Decay also sent me a couple of blue eyeliner pencils that seem to have a similar metallic tone to them. I'm gonna use them on my eyes as well before I apply my shadow. I'm gonna use the darker color towards the outside of my eye, and I'm gonna use the lighter blue on the inside of my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the darker blue first as kind of an all-over shade. I want that to be the more prominent shade in this eye makeup look, and then I'm just gonna add a little pop of the lighter blue for a nice light-catching highlight. I'm also gonna really lightly line my lower lash line just for an extra punch, and I'm gonna go over it with my finger again with the lighter, brighter blue eyeshadow. To finish off my look, I'm just gonna give my eyelashes a really good curl and apply lots of black mascara, and then do a really natural nude lip. There you go, my blue eyeshadow is on, and I feel like I need to, like, I don't know, go dancing, celebrate something, because I have never put blue eyeshadow on my face, and I kinda love it. It was so simple to do, which is very important. I'm a mama to be, so I've got like -5 minutes to do my makeup very, very soon. So this is like such a fun punch makeup look, and it took no time at all. I want to emphasize that you should keep it really natural for the rest of your face. Avoid any like super bright poppy cheeks and lips. Just keep it all about the eyes. Let me know if you guys like it and what makeup tutorials you want to see next. I will see you next time.